Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Jyotsna Meena and today I am going to explain class 12 business studies second chapter principles of management, and the topic is Taylor's and Fayol's approach and their difference. Now, according to PDF 2, this topic is given in detail in the PDF, and this is the video number 9 of this chapter. So, what is the difference in Taylor and Fayol's approach? As you know, there are some of the similarities and dissimilarities in Taylor and Fayol's approach. So, what is the differences in Taylor and Fayol's view or Taylor or Fayol's principle? You know that we have already explained the Taylor's principles and Fayol's principle individually. As you know that the principles given by Henry Fayol are called the principle of general management and administration. I explained the 14 principles, all of the 14 principles, main principles which are given by Henry Fayol, and these are the principles of general management and administration. And in the same way that there are some of the principles given by F.W. Taylor which are called the principle of scientific management. They are also explained in another video, and so here is the comparison or comparative study between Taylor and Fayol's approach. There may be similarities in some of the similarities in both of the experts' view, but there are some of the differences also in the approach of F.W. Taylor and Henry Fayol. So in this video, I am going to explain the differences in the views of Taylor and Fayol's principles. So first of all, what are the concept of Taylor principle and Fayol's principle? First of all, the Taylor's principles, there is the concept of scientific management, means Taylor has made the study of management as a science, and in a scientific way he studied about the management. There is a cause and effect relationship established in the work of management. He observed very deeply, or he made a number of analysis, number of studies, number of work study in his managerial work or in the principles of management given by him. But in the Fayol's principles, there are the general management and administration concept. So in this general management and administration concept, the generally applicable principles are given which are applicable in normal work of management field, or they are general rules or general principles of management, or the principles related to administrative work, means ruling authority have to follow this type of principles, or simple managerial work can be done easily with the help of these principles. Now second one is skill. Now see here, stress that Taylor has given the stress on the skill of labor, means the skill of labor is improved and observed in the Taylor's principle, or with the help of principle of Taylor the skill of the labor is improved. A number of control are made on the labor, like time study, motion study, method study or fatigue study, and with the help of all this study the skill of labor is improved. But in the Fayol's principle, the more stress is given on the skill of the managers. Fayol tried to improve the skill of the manager so that he can get the work done with done easily by the laborers. Taylor has given the principle of multiplicity of command, but Fayol has given the principle of unity of command, means single command should be given by managers, but different type of commands are given in the Taylor's principle to the labor. Next one is scope. The scope of Taylor's principle is restricted up to production activity, means it is generally, these principles are generally applicable in factory work, production work, where the production activities are performed. But Fayol's principle are applicable in everywhere or all type of organization, whether the production activities are done, purchase, sales, quality control, or whatever the work is done. If there is any type of organization like any type of business, industries, trade activities, educational institution, or religious institution, or any type of profession, whatever is the type of organization, the Fayol's principles are applicable everywhere in the same manner. But Taylor's principle is useful only or mostly in the production activity or factory activity where the production is done. Next one is approach. The principle of scientific management is the approach of Taylor. Means the Taylor has given the Taylor's approach or Taylor's thought or Taylor's principle are called the principle of scientific management because they are based on scientific studies. But the approach of Henry Fayol is called principle of general management and administration. Means the thought or the views or principles given by Henry Fayol are called principle of general management and administration because they are applicable everywhere or in every work. Sometimes it is also called the principles of modern management. Then next one is status. Taylor in the managerial field, Taylor, F.W. Taylor, Frederick Winslow Taylor is known as a father of scientific management. Then he is also called the father of scientific management because he has given the principles on the basis of scientific studies. But the Henry Fayol is called the principles of father of modern management because he has given the modern principles of management or the simple principles of management, general principles of management or administration applicable in every field. So these five are the difference between Taylor's approach and Fayol's approach, Taylor's principle and Fayol's principle. Thank you.